Americans' reality.
Yes. So see, this is what I get for $30. This, 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 and the little melon, half this size. Them here. And these. See there? $30. Yes, sir. So tell me now if you don't think these worth it. See there? $30. You have to say $27.40. So them here must be $83 for one. These $2. $2.50 for those. And the pineapple for $4. The flaxseed for $3. The mixed fruits for $2.56. The peanut butter for $3.54. The 2 cucumber, $76 each. Plantain for 68 cents each. $27 people. See there? I am going to be using these as my sweetener. I'm going to be doing porridge, and I'll show you how I do it. Because I don't take sugar and the other artificial and the other so-called sweeteners that they have. They spike my glucose, so I can't manage them. But let me show you guys and see if it makes sense. All right, bye-bye.